I've rolled out my modelling paste and I'm going to place my large tappet on top. So you choose the motif that you want. I'm just going to demonstrate the trainer here. So place it on top, slide it around my mat. I'm going to turn it over. I quite like to rub in with my finger. I just tap it out. And it's really nice. You can see the design on the trainer. And I allowed mine to dry. And once it was dry, I was able to colour in the stripes, or you can pop some lace detail on, but you really need this dry before you can do it. And just to make it the lower trainer, more like a running trainer, you can see along here where the embossed line is, I just remove this section, and there you have a second style of trainer. I can quickly show you the baseball cap if you'd like to see it. So again, place that on top, turn it over. You get a lovely sharp cut from these cutters, and also as well, it doesn't, unlike metal cutters, it doesn't dig grooves into your mat. So you can pop that through with a brush. You can probably do it with your finger as well, where you just simply tap it out. And if you want to, you can make the sections in different colours by cutting out another one and sticking it on top with water. So I'm just going to show you the hand controller. Again, I rolled out my modelling paste in advance. Nice and simple. Place it on top, apply pressure, move it around your mat, turn it over. You can see how cleanly it comes away because the tappet is very nice, and really nice and sharp. And so we're going to go from here. Again, you can pop that through with your brush or your finger, or it just dropped out, or you can tap it on your surface. So you can see here we've got the embossed marks, but if you want to, you can add some extra definition and colour by cutting them out again. So if you want to, you could just cut out the section that you would like. You don't need to go across the whole thing. So here, and here you've got the screen, your hand controller, and I just attach that with a little water. So nice and simple. And then you do exactly the same with the buttons. So give it a real good push. This will cut the circles out. Oh, you can see that one of them stayed. There you go. Obviously you would do this in different colours, just as I have the one that we've got on the cake that we've made to demonstrate the cutter. Can't find where the other one went. There. Let's pull this over. So very quick demonstration on how to use this cutter.